HandShake is a decentralized marketplace built on the Ethereum blockchain that allows creators and buyers to connect directly without the need for intermediaries. The platform offers a secure and transparent way to buy and sell digital products, including software, music, and art, using cryptocurrency. HandShake's unique selling point is its focus on empowering creators by giving them complete control over their intellectual property and pricing. Buyers can browse a wide selection of products, make offers, and negotiate directly with the creators, while creators can set their own prices, receive instant payments, and retain full ownership of their work. Join HandShake today and experience the future of digital commerce. The HandShake Marketplace affiliate program allows website owners and content creators to earn commissions by promoting the HandShake Marketplace, a platform for buying and selling digital assets. With a commission rate of up to 20% and a 90-day cookie duration, affiliates can earn significant income by referring new customers to HandShake. The program provides a range of promotional materials, including banners, text links, and product reviews, as well as detailed analytics and reporting tools to help affiliates track their performance and optimize their campaigns. Join the HandShake affiliate program today and start earning commissions for every sale you generate. I'm sorry, but my previous response was about Sendow's platform for creating an online store for digital products. Here's how you can create an online store on HandShake Marketplace. 1. Sign up for a HandShake account. Go to the HandShake website and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and your business. 2. Add your products. Once you're logged in, you can start adding your digital products to the marketplace. Click on the Add Product button and fill out the product details, including the product name, description, price, and file format. 3. Customize your storefront. HandShake provides a range of customization options to help you create a unique and professional storefront. You can choose from a variety of themes and layouts, add your logo and branding, and customize the colors and fonts to match your style. 4. Set up payment and delivery. HandShake supports a range of payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and cryptocurrencies. You can also choose from a variety of delivery options, including instant download, email delivery, or physical mailing for physical products. 5. Promote your store. Once your store is set up, you can start promoting it to attract customers. HandShake provides a range of marketing tools, including email campaigns, social media integration, and SEO optimization tools to help you reach a wider audience. 6. Manage your sales. HandShake provides detailed analytics and reporting tools to help you track your sales, customer behavior, and revenue. You can also manage your orders, refunds, and customer support directly through the platform. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily create an online store on HandShake Marketplace and start selling your digital products to a global audience.